A young mom lies in a hospital bed in critical condition following a terrible accident. Unconscious, her family gathers, praying fervently for her recovery. Suddenly, the mom's soul separates from her body and finds itself standing before God. Confused and scared, she listens as God explains that her time on earth has come to an end and a new journey awaits her. Desperate, she asks God for 2 hours to meet her young son one last time, as he is on his way from their village with his grandma to see her. God presents her with 2 options. If she can complete a task from her previous life, she will be given a chance to spend those precious 2 hours with her son. If she fails, she and her son will be reborn to start their journey anew together. Determined, she agrees and is transported to a scene from the past, where she sees a boy similar to her son rushing down a busy road. Suddenly, a vehicle comes speeding towards him, and she realizes this is the task she must complete. Without hesitation, she lunges towards the driver, slapping him and causing him to lose control. The vehicle swerves and narrowly misses her son. Relieved and filled with joy, she knows she has succeeded in her mission. God appears once more, congratulating her on completing the task. Overwhelmed with hope, she asks if she can now return to her life and spend the time with her son. She thinks that she went back to a pre-birth moment and saved a young boy, but the fact is she went and saved her son in the current life. God, however, gently reveals that her body has already passed away and she cannot return. She has already completed her final task on this earth by saving her son from a critical accident. Nonetheless, God reassures her that her son will be cared for by his father and grandma, and they will continue their journey in their current life. Accepting her fate, she follows God towards her next journey, bidding a heartfelt farewell to her previous life. Back in the hospital, her family is astonished when her heartbeat steadies and she miraculously regains consciousness. Elated, they surround her, and she learns of the divine events that saved her son. Her emotional son believes she watched over them, intervening to save him from the accident. She smiles, comforted by the knowledge that she completed her task and is ready to move on to her next journey, with God by her side.